So the birds are back. We refilled or Aaron refilled the railing feeder, and we put this bird feeder over here that was over by the other one. As you can see, the birds have found it. I was worried because sometimes it takes a while for them to find quote unquote new bird feeders, but they found it pretty quick because this was just yesterday evening when Aaron did this. That's a pretty one. It was yellowish. So I'm happy. They're happy. Everybody's happy. Except for Erin, because she doesn't like birds. But she is such a sweetheart for doing this for me. So now I have to figure out what I'm going to put on that pole. I don't think I'm going to put another bird feeder because these little suckers, they eat a lot of birdseed. So, oh, there's another pretty one. I think now that the bird feeder's here that we will stop doing the railing and the little concrete thing. But I don't know, we'll see. Because I kind of like them being up close where I can see them even better. Nice.